Hey guys, welcome back to Vintage American Cars. Today we're diving into 10 unique vintage car finds, perfect for restoration enthusiasts, all under $10,000. From classic Dodges and Fords to a rare Mercedes-Benz SSK replica, let's check them out. 1. 1949 Dodge Coupe, 6,550 ona. First up, we've got this classic 1949 Dodge Coupe, a two-door gem with a straight-six engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. The interior is clean, featuring new carpet and a recently installed radiator. It's mostly original, with a solid body and Arizona title. This coupe may need some tender loving care, but with its 75-year-old charm, it's a wonderful project for any vintage enthusiast. The 1949 Dodge was one of the first cars to feature more aerodynamic styling post-World War II, marking a shift toward the sleek designs of the 50s. This model remains a timeless piece of Dodge's history and a great investment for those who love classic American cars. 2. 1947 Willys Jeep CJ28 Swapped, $6,500, Sparks, Nevada. This one's for those who like a bit of extra power. Here we have a 1947 Willys Jeep CJ2A that's been swapped with a Ford 302 V8, retaining the original drivetrain. It includes a Ramsey PTO-driven winch, worn overdrive, hydraulic clutch, and more. Although it's a project that requires attention to brakes, lights, and tires, the bones are good, and it's a great foundation for a unique off-roading beast. The Willys CJ2A was one of the earliest civilian Jeeps, loved for its rugged simplicity. With a V8 under the hood, this Jeep CJ2A offers a thrilling twist on a classic American icon. 3. 1927 Ford Model T, $6,500, Powell Butte, Oregon. For Model T enthusiasts, here's a 1927 Ford Model T Touring in a deep green finish. It's mechanically sound, drivable, and has a clean Oregon title. Though it needs some carburetor work and has worn paint, the upholstery and top are in great shape. A perfect addition for someone who wants a classic Model T to bring to local car shows. As one of the first mass-produced cars, the Model T revolutionized transportation in America. Its iconic design is a must-have for collectors and offers a tangible piece of Ford's legendary history. 4. 1937 Chevy Master Deluxe Sedan, 7,000, Camarillo, California. Next, we have a 1937 Chevy Master Deluxe, a two-door sedan that's all original, with a 216 engine and 3-speed manual transmission. The body is in good condition with only minor rust around the rear bumper. This car is ready for a full restoration, offering a great project for those looking to bring a piece of the 30s back to life. The 1937 Master Deluxe was known for its elegant curves and improved performance, making it one of Chevrolet's most popular models of the era. Restoring this beauty would be like stepping back into the glamorous 1930s. Out of 5, 1949 Dodge half-ton shortbed truck, $7,450, Fresno, California. This true barn find is a 1949 Dodge half-ton shortbed truck with a pilot house cab and original flathead inline-six engine. It was parked for over 40 years, retaining its classic charm, but needs mechanical work to be roadworthy. Complete with a deluxe sun visor and dual spotlights, this truck is full of character and would make a fantastic restoration project. Dodge trucks from this era were known for their durability and practicality, and this one could shine again with a little effort and dedication. 6. 1947 Lincoln Club Coupe, $6,250, East Wenatchee, Washington. Here's a rare find. A 1947 Lincoln Club Coupe, complete with a V8 flathead engine from 1949 and a 3-speed column shift transmission. This car has been well kept with new upholstery, a primed body, and a clean Washington title. Although the fuel tank needs installation, This barn find offers a solid foundation for an exciting winter project. Lincoln's Club Coupe exuded style and luxury post-war, and this model's unique V8 setup makes it even more special, adding an extra level of vintage appeal. Seven. 1941 Chevrolet Master Deluxe Project Car, $1,600, location not specified. For project lovers, this 1941 Chevrolet Master Deluxe Business Coupe is complete but non-running. With its clean title and intact body, this car has great potential for restoration. Offering a blend of the rugged and the elegant, this Master Deluxe model would be an enjoyable challenge for any classic car enthusiast. The 1941 Master Deluxe is iconic for its streamlined design, and this coupe is a blank canvas ready for a skilled hand to bring it back to life. Eight. 1947 Chevy LWB 3800 pickup, 5900 Naperville, Illinois. If you're a fan of long bed pickups, this 1947 Chevy LWB 3800 might catch your eye. Although it's missing a title, it's complete with a solid frame and a 6-cylinder engine. Ideal for a full restoration, this barn find Chevy is perfect for someone who wants a vintage pickup with a lot of character. The 3800 was a robust workhorse, built for functionality, but with a style that made it appealing for both farm use and light industry. Restoring it would create a stunning piece of history on wheels. 9. 1953 Ford Custom Line Coupe, $2,600, Kennewick, Washington. This 1953 Ford Custom Line Coupe is a great budget find. Originally Ford's 50th anniversary model, it comes with a disassembled flathead engine and all the parts needed for restoration. With a sporty look, this coupe is ready for someone with the time and skill to turn it into a street rod or classic show car. The 1953 Ford Custom Line marked a milestone for Ford, and with its clean title and solid frame, this project car is a great opportunity to own a piece of Ford's heritage. Ten. 1929 Mercedes SSK Replica, Gazelle, $7,900, Phoenix, Arizona. Last but not least, we have a 1929 Mercedes-Benz SSK Replica by Fiberfab, a well-preserved homage to the classic Roadster. Built on a Volkswagen chassis and powered by a 1600cc engine, this Gazelle is both practical and stylish. With only 7,400 miles, it's a fantastic choice for someone who wants the elegance of a vintage car with the reliability of modern mechanics. The original Mercedes SSK was a racing legend, and this replica captures the spirit of that iconic model with a more accessible design. That wraps up our lineup for today. Don't forget to check the description for links to each listing. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.